hands, arms, feet and legs inside the bobsled. And please, watch your kids. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tobogán. Cuide a los pequeños. Auf Wiedersehen.
Hello everyone, thanks for watching. This is the Matterhorn bobsled ride at Disneyland. This video was filmed December 2006 on our old 8mm camcorder. The Matterhorn opened in 1959 and is a dual steel coaster. We are riding the Tomorrowland track, which is 80 feet high and top speeds of 27 miles per hour. This video is before all the refurbishments in 2012, 2015, and 2018. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also check out our other videos. This is Dark Dimensions Haunted House, which is a horror and haunted house channel, but we love amusement parks and thrill rides as well.